Now let's say we're happy with this as our animation, or let's say we're done working for today. We're going to need to save this and download it onto our computer. If you're done working for today and then you're going to go back to it, then just leave it as is and we're going to save it. If you feel like you're complete with everything, then remember we need to go back to our background and we need to change the opacity back to 100. For saving your work, you're going to click on the Save button right here, and automatically, it depends. I'm using Firefox, but I'd recommend Firefox or Chrome. It will call it, I named it page 1, and then it puts in the date, and then it puts in the time. I'm going to say OK, because I know it's saving, save file. It's going to go directly to my downloads. And you need to do this every time you want to go back to working with this. This needs to be saved to your desktop. So anytime you add more assets, I made some changes. Let's say I made it like this. So now it's a different animation, right? Because we have more keyframes. I'm going to click on Save. This file now is the same name, page 1, the same date. However, the timestamp. I saved it maybe a couple seconds earlier. Now this is a new file. I'm going to hit OK. Let's take a look what it looks like once it's downloaded on your computer. So as you can see, this is my downloads. As soon as I did my first save, it was my project. And then when I named it, this is the name. This is page 1 at this date at this time. And then every time I click on save, that has a new timestamp. I would definitely hold on to those. I recommend renaming it if you know which one you want to keep to work with again, and then moving it into your animation project folder. So you want to move it into your animation project folder where you have everything there. Again, I renamed it. Now if I go back to wanting to work with this again, let's say this is the next day or the next time you're going to launch. And what you're going to do is it's going to remember autosave found. Would you like to load the autosave project? And you're going to say load, and it found that one. You can also import or upload and open it that way as well. If you're not sure which project this is, just go directly to where it says open and then go to the actual one that you named. I renamed it and leave it with that. And then now that's I'm going to zoom out, and that's I can go back and make some changes and continue working on it